Hello fellas, welcome to Shit's Tech. Today we are discussing about inbound marketing. We are discussing what is inbound marketing. It is a business methodology that attracts customers by creating valuable content and experiences tailored to them. Why we are discussing it? Why it's important? Because when your customers succeed, you succeed. Inbound marketing can be applied in three ways. What are those? Let's find out. The first one is attract. The second one is engage. The third one is delight. Let's further deep dive in it. What exactly these are. We are going step by step to know what exactly they are. Let's start first with attracting technique. Creating and publishing content. This is the only way, or you can say this is one of the way to attract your customers by creating and publishing content. Content like a blog. You can write a blog or article. You can post some content offers. You can post your content on social media. These are the tools or these are the methods through which you can attract your customers. Attract towards your product, your solutions, attract towards their to address their pain points. I have jotted down a few examples for you how you will attract them. You can provide a guide on how to use your products. You can provide solutions on the basis of their pain points. Whatever they discuss with you, you can just provide the solutions for that on the basis of their pain points. You can provide customers testimonials, like if you are talking to a coming customer or potential customer, so you can provide your previously gone customers testimonials who provided you some good feedback. So you can provide those testimonials to the potential customers to make them believe that you guys know your work, right? And the last but not the least, you can provide some promotion and discount details towards to the potential customers to retain them, to gauge them, to attract them towards you, right? So hopefully it will be clear to all of you. Let's further go into the next technique, which is the engaging technique. How will it work? The first one is, if you need to engage your customer, so you need to build a long-term relationship through your communication and dealing. Whatever you are communicating or however you are dealing with your customers, just try to build some long-term relationship, right? The second thing is focus on inbound sales call. It's very important. You need to look towards your sales representative. Whenever your sales representative interacted with the customer, so you need to focus on those sales call. Whatever your customer is saying, you'll have to be very careful. You'll have to be focused on their pain points to address them sufficiently. The third point is solution selling instead of product selling. It's also very important. You need to sell solutions on the basis of their pain points instead of product selling. Whatever the products you have, instead of selling those, you need to sell the solution on the basis of their pain points. Last but not the least, try to ensure win-win solution. That's how you can engage your customers. The third technique is delighting technique. What exactly it is? That's how you can delight to your customer. Request feedback through surveys, through which your customers can be delightful, and update your client or customers on new products or solutions whenever you have on board. And last but not the least, social media listening. It's very important in this modern era. And this digital era, social media is playing a tremendous role. So you need to focus on listening of social media. Whatever your customers mentioning there, just answer that, just interact with them through these mediums, or apart from these mediums as well, you can contact with them and try to resolve their queries, try to listen them, try to listen their feedbacks. It's very important. And obviously, it's a no-brainer that delighted customer can be your brand promoter. They can promote you on any of the medium, whether it's social media, whether it's word of mouth. Word of mouth, as we all know, that word of mouth is a big source of awareness. So it's very important. And obviously, if your customer is delightful, so he will, or he or she will definitely promote you. So I hope you all have understood what exactly I mean to convey through these techniques. And that's it from my side. And if you like this content, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And whenever you are subscribing, so guys, please make sure to press the bell icon. It's very important so that you will get a notification from my side. And thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.